Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to talk about the wonderful mullein. Many people overlook it and see it as a weed, but you shouldn't. You should really pay close attention right now. It's wonderful for any respiratory issues and it's really valued for its leaves. This one is really small one, but it's got large ones. Fun fact about leaves, about the big ones from the past, I heard they used to be used as nappies, so it's really funny. They are soft and fluffy, bit hairy. To be honest, I haven't used these myself, but it's really good for any lung issues or colds or whatever. So you really should get it for the colder months. I will do this next year, but what I do, I really value the flowers. They are so wonderful. It's really good for any skin conditions and they are anti-inflammatory and also you can use them for earache. I was so glad to find this because I used to suffer from earaches for ages. The thing is, you can't collect them all in one go. You have to come and see every single day because they are opening in different stages and bees love them. There is always some buzz around this. What I also seen with the flowers, you know, you can do the planting, you can make the layers of plantain leaves and sugar and you've got the nice syrup. You can do this with the flowers too, but you have to have really plenty of flowers or you need to find a field where you've got plenty of them and you can make it with the sugar as well. And this plant is got a 2-year stage, so the first year it's really small, it's just a rosette, it's just a couple of leaves and it keeps itself by the ground, and the next year it will shoot up. This plant, it's so small, it's actually smaller than me, and usually it's got like over 2 meters, so this is the first plant I can look into the eyes for a long time. I am a bit obsessed about these flowers and I usually have like 13 or 15 in the garden. This is my first year when I've got actually only 2. I've done some, you know, rework in my garden and most of them had to go, so I need to make sure I will plant some seeds. It's got plenty of seeds, you will have more than plenty. You will see when it will go to the stage and you just can scatter them, but you need to wait for 2 years for the flowers to come. This beauty likes really warm and hot conditions, so UK it's not ideal, but this year it's doing exceptionally well because we've got really hot and dry summer. This is what it loves. Don't worry about watering, like nature does what it needs to do, so it doesn't need to water, it just regulates itself. And if you find plenty in your garden, you've got real access, what you can do, you can dig it up and hang it and leave it to dry. This way it's really lazy method how to collect the leaves. Or another way, it's obviously collect the leaves, cut them and put them into dehydrator and you can store them in mason jars for the later months. So this is what this beauty looks like. And here I've got another one which hasn't opened yet. It will happen really soon. And this is what the first year stage looks like. So it's got really small rosette and it will keep itself at the ground level. Don't underestimate the power of this wonderful plant. Go and grow some mullein, and if you don't have it, go and harvest some. Enjoy the season. I hope you make most of this beauty and definitely don't see it as a weed. Please share with your friends and family, spread some love, hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, leave me some comments, let me know how do you use it. Do you use it for the flowers or for the leaves, or both? Do you smoke it? Some people also smoke this. I'm not smoker myself, but I had this. It's obviously helped to clean the lungs. So let me know in the comments below. Really curious to know. That's all from me, from my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.